Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best warming trays in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Mega Chef Warming Tray. This product will come to great use if you need to handle small portions of several different dishes. With 3 sectional trays, you can keep the items separated and prevent them from getting mixed with each other. Besides, the sectional trays come with their own lids, hence there are no chances of any bugs or other elements falling into the food and making it unfit for eating. Besides, the lids are all see-through. Therefore, the food items can be easily viewed even when covered. One great thing about this product is that containers are stackable. Thus, it will take much lesser space when the product is not being used. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. Magic Mill Warming Tray. For those who deal with really large sections, this product will be ideal for you. The top of the warming tray has a glass surface. Not only does it get warm easily, but it also gives the tray a polished appearance and makes cleaning a hassle-free task requiring no more than some good wipes. Furthermore, even though the product is extra large so you can easily place huge dishes over it, the tray is extremely lightweight. Therefore, you can easily move it from one place to another without any problem. The product comes with sturdy handles so carrying the item is even easier. Number 8. Event Warming Tray. If you go for this product, you will not be disappointed. With the exceptional service, this warming tray has already won over the hearts of many and bagged the title of Amazon's choice for itself. It will surely have what you are looking for as well. The heating element on this product has a power of 200 W. This gets the tray warm in no time. If that was not enough, the product also allows you to alternate temperature of the item as you prefer. As a matter of fact, you can put this compact product on any countertop and even place heat-proof dishes on it. Number 7. Elite Gourmet Warming Tray. When quality is in question, Elite Gourmet leaves no stones unturned. This product allows you a lot of flexibility to use it in different ways. The bottom layer acts as a large warming tray, so you can set up all the big dishes which will not fit into a sectional tray, in order to make sure the sectional trays stay put in their place. So, the product also has a retaining shelf, which can avoid many mishaps. At the very top, you enjoy 3 different sectional trays to keep different items inside all at the same time. All the sections come with their very own see-through dome lids, so the food inside is visible at all times. Number 6. Chef Warming Tray. Once you get this product, you will never look back. Safety should always be of first priority. For that reason, this product proudly boasts a CTL certification that you can count on. The product makes use of stainless steel for the body of the tray. Steel lends the sturdiness required to have a good load-bearing capacity. Not only that, but steel is also a material known for its durable properties. Hence, when it comes to long-lasting usage, you can depend on this product. To help you get accustomed to the device, you get a PDF user guide as well. Number 5. Classic Kitchen Warming Tray. If you are always running out of time, this product will be a true lifesaver. With a robust power of 300 W, you can be sure your tray will get heated up in no time and keep your food hot to be enjoyed throughout the mealtime. Moreover, you get a high-tech glass for the top of the tray. This gives a very sleek look to the tray and makes maintenance a complete breeze, requiring nothing more than some wipes. Besides, the glass has been tempered, thus, no matter how hot the tray gets, your glass will not break anytime soon. Since the product has aluminum for the frame, it will be comparatively lighter as well. Number 4. Oyster Warming Tray. A lot of thought has been given in the design of this product. The domed lids provided with the trays trap all the heat and moisture inside, so that less power is required to keep the trays warm. Besides, it also protects the food from any outside particles which might otherwise make the food unfit for consumption. In case you want to use your own containers over the warming tray, you can ditch the sectional trays too, and the product will work just fine. With this product, maintenance is no big deal. Since the lids are dishwasher safe, you hardly have to put in any effort or time for cleaning. Number 3. NutriChef Warming Tray. Name what is your requirement, and this product is sure to be already providing for it. The product comes with spacious handles, so no matter how big your hand is, you can curl up your fingers for a stable grip without any discomfort. Furthermore, the glass surface on this warming tray is the non-stick kind. Hence, cleaning this item hardly takes up a few minutes. Having a stainless steel body, you do not have to worry about any rusting. Either with an LED power indicator, you will be alerted and not touch the hot surface by mistake. Number 2. My Hot Mat Warming Tray. For places with a space crunch, or if you are looking for warming trays better suited for personal use, this item can be a great choice. The product is much more compact, taking up lesser space on your counter and barely any room in storage. Further, an innovative feature about this product is that the item is foldable. Evidently, it is really space efficient. This product has also been ETL tested. Thus, you can easily rely on the quality that this warming tray offers. Number 1. Sultan Warming Tray. Innovation has a new name with Sultan. Unlike other products, this item is practically cordless. After you plug in, you only need to give the tray 8 minutes to get warmed up. Then, you can easily unplug it, and the tray offers you enough warmth to last for a good hour. Besides, with the slim design of the item, the warming tray becomes even more travel-friendly. Finally, you can also use any type of heat-proof utensil on the warmer. Hence, it ensures the convenience of usage. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.